One bolt of lightning packs enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread at once. That's not just a spark, it's a breakfast buffet powered by the sky. This happens because a single lightning strike can carry up to a billion joules of energy, enough to power a small town for a few seconds. Imagine all that force concentrated into a flash that lasts less than a second. If you connected that energy to your toaster, you'd have 100,000 slices crisped up in the blink of an eye, way more than the biggest brunch party could ever need. Lightning isn't just dramatic, it's a powerhouse like nothing else on Earth. Scientists are still working on ways to safely harness lightning's energy, but for now, every thunderstorm overhead is nature showing off its wild, untapped potential.